Hello friends, today I will start a new topic which I have picked from Indian English literature. Here we are going to know about a famous novel, The Guide, and its creator who is a very motivating personality who belongs to India, but he has acquired world fame for his writings in English. He is none other than the prominent novelist R.K. Narayan. He is an Indian English writer. Friends, it's not possible to give you a critical view of a novel in a single video, so I have decided to make the videos in part. Now, before going to start the novel, we need to learn many things about R.K. Narayan and his writings. So, I have made 5 points for discussing today. And the first point is Indian English literature, or we can also say Indo-Anglican literature. Our second point is life of R.K. Narayan. And the third point is Malgudi town. Our fourth point is Narayan's famous novels. This point, Narayan's famous novels, here I have given the novels of R.K. Narayan with its publication year, which is also helpful to the candidates who are preparing for UGC NET. And our last but not the least point is the guide, a brief introduction. Now let's start our first point, that is Indian English literature or Indo-Anglican literature. It's very important to know about it because R.K. Narayan is also an Indian English writer and his writings belong to Indian English literature. Indian English literature refers to those writings which are written by Indian writers but in English language. There are various characteristics of Indian English writers such as Indianness in their writings. Some of the famous Indian English writers or Indo-Anglican writers are Rabindranath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu, Amitav Ghosh, Aurobindo Ghosh, Taru Dutt, Michael Madhusudan Dutt, Mulkraj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Raja Rao, Anita Desai, Henry Derozio, Salman Rushdie, Bikram Seth, Jhumpa Lahiri, Arundhati Roy, and many more. Now, come to the second point, that is life of R.K. Narayan. He was born on 10th October 1906 in Madras. His full name is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayanaswamy. In short, R.K. Narayan. R stands for Rasipuram, that is the name of his village. K stands for Krishnaswamy Iyer, that is his father's name, and Narayan is Narayanaswamy. His father was a school teacher, and soon after Narayan's birth, the family shifted to Mysore for his father's job. Except Narayan, the whole family shifted to Mysore, and Narayan was left behind with his grandmother. But later he also shifted to Mysore. He was graduated from Maharaja College, Mysore at the age of 24 because he was never a good student and failed in some examinations. He fell in love with a girl named Razam and married her. Their marriage was a happy one and a daughter was born to them. But the happiness didn't last for long. His beloved wife died only after 5 years of their marriage due to typhoid, which affected his literary career very much. And we also find some similarities among some female characters of R.K. Narayan and his wife Radha. Now let's come to the third point, that is the Malgudi town. Because before going to discuss about his literary works, we should know about his fictional town, the Malgudi town. Malgudi is a fictional town located in India, which was created by Narayan, and it is the setting of most of his novels. He first introduced the Malgudi town in his novel Swami and Friends. And the setting of our present novel, that is The Guide, is also this fictional Malguri town. Friends, look at the fourth point. Narayan's famous novels. Let's discuss some famous novels of R.K. Narayan, including The Guide, which I have given in a chronological manner with the year of publication so that it can help the candidates who are preparing for UGC NET. First comes the novel Swami and Friends. It was published in 1935. Next, The Bachelor of Arts, 1937. Next, The Dark Room, 1938. Next, The English Teacher, 1945. Next, Mr. Sampath, The Printer of Malguri, 1949. The Financial Expert, 1952. Next, Waiting for the Mahatma, 1955. Next, The Guide, 1958. Next, The Man-Eater of Malguri, 1961. Next, The Vendor of Sweets, 1967. Next, The Painter of Science, 1976. Next, A Tiger for Malguri, 1983. Next, Talkative Man, 1986. Next, The World of Nagaraj, 1990. Now it's time to discuss the last point, which is gonna be our main topic in my next video. So today, let me give a brief introduction of this topic, which is his famous novel The Guide, which was published in 1958. R.K. Narayan was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1960 for this novel. This novel was also set in his fictional town Malguri. Here, Narayan depicts the life of Raju, the hero, a railway guide who comes in contact with Marco's wife Rosie, the heroine, that changes the life of all the three characters. That is, the meeting of Raju and Marco's wife Rosie plays havoc in the life of Raju, Marco and Rosie. The novel is told through a series of flashbacks. Friends, the novel is a very interesting one. Watch my next video to know how Rosie becomes Nalini and how Raju from a railway guide becomes a spiritual guide. And subscribe and click the bell icon to watch my next video to know the interesting story of the novel The Guide.